Meatball cooked in the beer. Is it? Look. Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something very easy and tasty like always. Today I'm going to cook this meatball. I'm gonna cook this in the beer. They absolutely wow. I'm gonna show you now what we need. Like I'm gonna use beef and pork mince. I'm gonna use some flour, breadcrumb, parsley, salt and pepper, 1 egg, some chopped onion, Parmesan, around 80 grams of Parmesan, and 1 beer. Okay? Use the beer you like. Take the bowl, the mince, and we start. We put some salt, how much you like, some pepper, chopped onion, parsley, you have Parmesan, 1 egg, and half cup of milk, okay? Guys, we are not master chef, but we cook very good. As always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. And inside, start to mix everything properly. And now we add some breadcrumb, okay? Mix very well. Okay, guys, the mix is ready. Not too soft, but not too hard, okay? And now we start to do the meatball. I like put some oil on my hand like this. And guys, I like this, okay? But if you like this, no one gonna say nothing. It's your dinner or lunch, okay? Okay. My meatballs, they really look how beautiful they are. Now we take the flour, meatball in the flour, okay? Just like that, quickly. I put in the plate. I have 2 pots because one I'm gonna cook this for my son Enrico, and this is for the video and the recipe. It's gonna be anyway my dinner. We're gonna add some oil. You can add any oil you like, extra virgin olive oil, okay? Not too much. You know, if you like some butter, you can put it one here and the rest of it, okay? We put inside 3-4 minutes per side, okay? And now we start add as well the beer we're gonna put later, okay? We can open it. I had this at home, but you can use any beer you like, okay? Guys, we start at the meatball. We're gonna spin them all the way. You know, example, this one, they start cooking, you know? Slowly, slowly, even too strong. And this one, huh? They are already halfway. We have the beer inside, okay? Now this beer gonna absorb everything, okay? Guys, now I put on a very high But you see, the beer is evaporate everything. What is important, we're gonna have this sauce, you know, this cream. Oh, look at that. It's amazing, okay? I think they done. Leave to rest a little bit. I want to see inside one. Look at that. Oh mio Dio. They done. Wow. Wow. Absolutely delicious, guys. Guys, what do I want to say? My meatball cooked in the beer is this, look. Absolutely mwah, al bacio. This is my meatball. And always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.